What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the horror atmosphere by doing the color grading, and here the tool is the CapCut. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, you can start to open or access this CapCut, and don't worry because CapCut also accessible within your PC, smartphone, or even the tab. And here I am accessing it with my smartphone of Android. And after that you can simply open the new project over here, and I will go to the library, for example, and choose the picture that you would like to create the horror atmosphere. For example, this one, and I will click add. And the next step is I will start to remove this ending that usually being provided by this CapCut too, and I will slightly lengthen the picture or the duration. And while this picture is being selected, so you can start to choose the menu down here, name filters. And after that, I will choose the filter, name the Oppenheimer. Or if you don't find it, don't worry because you can find it from this movie. And you can choose Oppenheimer over here. Perfect. And the next step is I will start to do the color grading. You can continue to click adjust. And after that, the first section that we will try to set the color grading is about the brightness. For the brightness itself, I will start to reduce it to become -9, for example. And also the next thing is the contrast. I will reduce it to become -8. Perfect. And after that, for the saturation, I will move it to become 4. And the next thing is brilliance. I will start to reduce it to become -20. And the next step is about HSL. And for the yellow one, I will reduce the hue, let's say, to become -24. I'm sorry, it's too way. That's it. And for the green section, I will reduce the hue to become -100, and also the saturation in this green to become -15, like this. And after that, you can go back to this adjustment, and I will continue to graph. I will keep selecting this white, and I will slightly move it a little bit down like this, and I will adjust or apply to it. And after that, I will slightly move it again to the left, and I will choose hue over here, and I will slightly move it to become -22. Perfect. And the next step is vignette. Over here, I will slightly move it to become 9. Just create the darker effect in every corner. So this will be the picture we have, guys, or the horror effect. So don't forget to try this trick, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.